guys, my name is Carolyn and I do a slime video. This is my first video, so I hope you hit that like button and subscribe. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Today we are going to be making some slime. So yeah, the first thing you're going to be needing is some glue. I have Elmer's glue right here in an 8-ounce container. Oh wait, I forgot the coloring. Hold on, let me get that and I'll be right back. I got some coloring. It's a pinkish color. It's kind of like this color. So yeah, it looks kind of darker on camera, but it's like lighter. I don't really know why. So let's just squirt some in. It really, I don't know what it's going to come out as. I hope it comes out as a pink color. Okay, mix, mix, mix. We are mixing it in. Okay, it looks like a pinkish color. I like that color. Okay, so we are mixing, 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 and all finished. Mixing. Next, I'm going to add in some of my activator. I don't have too much, but I use borax activator. I really like borax activator because it comes in like a huge box. So it's like really reusable. So I kind of fell this to the top. It's okay. Just gonna mix in the activator. I'm so scared. I really like this pink color. Oh, it spilled on me. Oh, yay. Okay, mixing, mixing, mixing. Going to be mixing. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Just want to get that like nice, thick enough one. So I hate this part, but I love my. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Okay. Right now we are mixing. It looks disgusting. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Okay. Yeah, I'll be back when this is mostly mixed up. Okay, guys. So you might wanna hold on for a minute. So guys, here's the finished product. It is super nice and I really love it. It's like super duper pink and it's just so nice and I really love it. It's super clicky. And it took a while to knead and stuff, but it's okay. So yeah, time for the ASMR. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're wondering, M is for Maya, and she is my bestie, and she is not here today, so we're going to be swapping back and forth to do videos. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe. Bye guys!